How to install Prettier in your project. If I have a project that's different developer work on it, we should use the same version of Prettier. So Prettier extension will not be enough. We need to install Prettier inside my project with a specific version to ensure that all the team use the same Prettier version. So how we can install that in our project? Using this command npm I save dev to make ensure that package will install for development dependencies, and save exact to make sure the same version installed in all machine without any update, minor or major. So let's do that in our application and check it by ourselves. Here is my project. It's React TypeScript React built by Vet, and already the extension of Prettier here installed. And if I change the format of this file and save, the Prettier will reformat the code for me. Now I want to install my package in dev dependencies here. So I will open the terminal and write the command that we was checking and press enter. So it is installed successfully. Let's check the package.json file and check Prettier here. As you can see, Prettier in line 25 with version 3 without this sign, which makes sure this version exactly will install on all development environment for all developers. That's it. Thank you.